In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly center a title in Google Docs. Whether you're writing an essay, a report, or even a resume, a properly centered title makes your document look clean and professional. First, open your Google Docs and the document you want to work on. You'll probably notice that your title is aligned to the left by default. Our goal is to place it right in the center, and I'll show you 2 easy ways to do it. Method 1. Highlight your title by clicking and dragging over the text. Then, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E. Instantly, your title will jump to the center. Quick and simple. Method 2. If you prefer the toolbar, highlight the title again, then go to the Align and Indent icon at the top. It looks like a few horizontal lines. Click it, then choose Center Align from the drop-down menu. Your text will now be centered. Both methods give you the same result, a neat, professional title right in the middle of your page. Afterward, preview your document to make sure the placement looks exactly how you want. And that's it. 2 simple ways to center a title in Google Docs. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tips.